The Panama Canal, a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ambition. For over a century, this 50-mile waterway has been the lifeblood of global trade. Connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, it slashed travel times and shipping costs. It reshaped global commerce. The canal's impact on the United States was profound. It enhanced naval power projection. It fueled economic growth. It solidified America's position as a global leader. From humble beginnings to modern megaships, the Panama Canal has witnessed it all. It has adapted to changing tides of trade. It stands as a symbol of human ingenuity and a reminder of our interconnected world. 2025 dawned with unease along the Panama Canal. Reports emerged of minor structural anomalies. Water levels fluctuated. Whispers of concern circulated among canal workers, yet the global trade machine churned on until it couldn't. On February 12, 2025, disaster struck. A section of the canal wall, weakened by years of strain and erosion, collapsed. The earth groaned. Water roared through the breach. The Panama Canal, once a symbol of human achievement, was silent. The world watched in disbelief. The initial shock gave way to a chilling realization. The lifeline of global trade was severed. The economic repercussions would be swift and brutal. The closure of the Panama Canal sent shockwaves through the global economy. Supply chains already strained snapped. The cost of shipping goods soared. Supermarkets faced shortages. Factories idled. The world held its breath. The United States, heavily reliant on the canal for trade, reeled. Consumer prices surged. Energy markets convulsed. The stock market plunged. The economic engine sputtered. The crisis exposed the fragility of global interdependence. As weeks turned into months, the economic pain deepened. The world yearned for answers. What caused this catastrophic failure? And how long would it take to restore this vital artery of global commerce? Whispers in the wind theories behind the collapse. Speculation ran rampant in the wake of the disaster. The air was thick with theories and conjectures, each more compelling than the last. Some pointed to inadequate maintenance, citing years of underfunding. They argued that the canal had been neglected for too long, with critical repairs postponed and essential upgrades ignored. Others blamed climate change, arguing that rising sea levels and extreme weather had weakened the canal's infrastructure. They pointed to the increasing frequency of tropical storms and the relentless rise of the ocean as culprits. Conspiracy theories flourished. Some whispered of sabotage, of a deliberate attack on global trade. They spoke of shadowy figures and clandestine operations, suggesting that the collapse was no accident but a calculated move to disrupt the world's economy. Others claimed it was a sign of a crumbling world order. They saw the collapse as a symbol of larger systemic failures, a harbinger of economic and political turmoil on a global scale. Yet, amidst the speculation, a disquieting truth emerged. The collapse was a disaster waiting to happen. The signs had been there for years, ignored or dismissed by those in power. The Panama Canal, for all its grandeur, was a product of a bygone era. Built in the early 20th century, it was a marvel of engineering at the time, but it had not kept pace with the rapid advancements in technology and trade. It was ill-equipped to handle the demands of 21st century trade. The canal's narrow lanes and outdated infrastructure struggled to accommodate the massive container ships that now dominate global shipping. The collapse was a stark reminder of the need for modern, resilient infrastructure. It underscored the importance of investing in robust systems capable of withstanding the challenges of the future, ensuring the smooth flow of global commerce. A cryptic tweet Musk stirs the pot. As engineers grappled with the enormity of the task ahead, the scale of the challenge was daunting. The Panama Canal, a vital artery of global trade, was facing unprecedented issues. Then, out of the blue, a cryptic tweet from Elon Musk sent shockwaves through the internet. The tweet was simple yet profound, capturing the attention of millions. "Interesting engineering challenge," he mused, followed by a winking emoji. The world took notice. What did Musk mean by this? Was it just a casual remark, or was there something more behind it? Speculation ran wild. Was Musk hinting at a potential solution? Could his innovative mind and resources be directed towards solving this monumental problem? His companies, Tesla and SpaceX, are known for their technological prowess and groundbreaking achievements. Could they hold the key to reopening the canal? The possibilities seemed endless. News outlets and social media platforms buzzed with excitement. Speculation reached a fever pitch as people dissected every word of Musk's tweet, looking for hidden meanings and clues. The tweet, whether intentional or not, injected a glimmer of hope into a bleak situation. workers and engineers found renewed energy and optimism, spurred on by the idea that Musk might get involved. Musk, never one to shy away from the spotlight, remained tight-lipped about his intentions. His silence only fueled further speculation and curiosity. Yet his tweet served as a timely reminder: human ingenuity, when pushed to its limits, could achieve the seemingly impossible. The world watched and waited, wondering if Musk would indeed step in and make a difference. As days passed, the anticipation grew. Engineers and innovators around the globe were inspired, brainstorming new ideas and solutions, driven by the hope that Musk's involvement could turn the tide. The story of Musk's cryptic tweet became a global phenomenon, a testament to the power of social media and the influence of one man's vision. The world held its breath, waiting for the next move in this unfolding drama. Race against time, recovery, and investigation. The eyes of the world turned to Panama. An international team of engineers, scientists, and construction workers converged on the site. A sense of urgency permeated the air. Every day the canal remained closed, the global economy bled. The investigation into the collapse was meticulous and exhaustive. No stone was left unturned. The world needed answers and accountability. Meanwhile, the recovery effort was nothing short of Herculean. Heavy machinery roared, divers braved treacherous waters. The world watched in awe as the Panama Canal, piece by agonizing piece, began to rise from the depths. It was a testament to human resilience, a beacon of hope in uncertain times. Lessons from the abyss fortifying global trade. The Panama Canal crisis was a wake-up call, a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities that lie within our global trade systems. It laid bare the fragility of our interconnected world, the vulnerability of the systems we rely on. The crisis underscored how a single point of failure could ripple across continents, affecting economies and livelihoods. But it also revealed the indomitable spirit of human innovation, our capacity to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. Engineers and innovators around the globe rose to the occasion, devising solutions that not only addressed the immediate crisis but also paved the way for future resilience. The crisis yielded invaluable lessons about the importance of infrastructure investment. It became clear that robust, well-maintained infrastructure is the backbone of global trade. The need for robust maintenance was highlighted, emphasizing that regular upkeep is essential to prevent such crises. Maintenance crews became the unsung heroes, ensuring that every bolt and beam was in place. And the urgency of adapting to climate change was brought to the forefront. Rising sea levels and unpredictable weather patterns posed new challenges, demanding innovative solutions and proactive measures. It highlighted the delicate balance between progress and preservation. The Panama Canal, a marvel of human engineering, stood as a testament to what we can achieve, but also reminded us of the need to protect our natural world. The reopening of the Panama Canal, though a cause for celebration, was not a return to the status quo. It symbolized a new beginning, a commitment to learning from past mistakes and forging a path towards a more resilient future. It marked a new era, one defined by a deeper understanding of our interconnectedness and a renewed commitment to building a more resilient future. Engineers, policymakers, and global leaders now work hand in hand, ensuring that the lessons learned from the crisis are not forgotten, but are used to fortify the very foundations of global trade.